After having covered all the popular operators that are used in Python, we move to the last token of discussion, that is separator. The commonly offered separators or the commonly used separators in Python are listed on your screen. Pause the video for a moment and go through the names. So I hope you have gone through the names. Let's discuss the utility of every separator in the context of a Python script. The first one is a pair of parentheses, which is used for function calls and to identify the tuple data structure. The second separator that you see on your screen is the box, which is used for indexing as well as for identifying the list data structure. Braces are used mainly for identifying sets and dictionaries. The comma separator is used to separate variables as well as literals. The single quotes and the pair of double quotes that you see, the pair of single quotes and the pair of double quotes that you see are mainly used for string representation. The semicolon is used to suppress output on terminal and for multiple statements on a single line. The period or the dot is used for associating objects with members. That means it's mainly used in object-oriented programming. What is an object? What is object-oriented programming? I can assure you that we'll come back to it later. And the final separator that is most commonly used is the colon, which is used to start a block of statements, as in a function, a loop, or a conditional block. So this brings an end to our discussion on tokens. From the next video, we will move to the if statement. If you found this video useful, do like it and hit the subscribe button. If you have any doubts, please feel free to leave them in the comment section below. I hope you found this video useful and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you.